if the dumper's job is the, or not the dumper, sorry, if the bringer's job is the one that we think together is like the most important, because if we don't bring it, we can't do anything with it, what could we do to get some bringers? Yes.
Switch some jobs.
Okay. But if we take people away from the jobs they've got, then who's going to do those jobs?
I have
Yes.
my idea. Like first we could do the like if I was gonna be the mixer first, and I couldn't do the mixer first, so then I just do the bringer first, and then I do the mixer.
Okay, so then let's look for a second. We have a dumper's job left, and we have a mixer's job left. And now we've got a filler. Could the filler do either of those open jobs? Like if they're filling, what else could they do?
Or what about when they're done in that job, they can go to the other one?
Right, so which job could they do next? If they're filling it, what can they do after they fill it? Jordan, what could they do after they fill it?
Bringer.
So can they fill and then bring?
No, because then we're going to have to go over here, then fill it, and then bring it over there.
All right. So we have to think before we start shouting out the answers. Before we say, we've got to take a moment to think. Of the open jobs between dumper and mixer, because those are the two big ones left that could maybe be taken by someone else right away, what could the, digger, or not the digger, what could the filler do? After they fill it, what else could they do? They might already kind of be doing it anyways. If they fill that hole with food, what could they do once they fill it?
Dump it.
Okay, well if they're filling it with food, then what would they do? Would they dump after they fill it, or would they dump before they fill it?
Before.
Okay, so, Ricardo, can you grab me a Post-it note over on that table over there? Because we don't want to mess up our chart.
I think
Right? So, like a sticky note.
Next, and then fill.
Okay, hold on. So, that's perfect. Just bring the whole thing over, Ricardo. You never know, I might need extras. Kind of like that. Okay, so you said that first they're going to dump. So, 1 dibia dumps. And then after Dibia dumps, what will she do?
Mix.
Oh, what does she have to do next?
Fill it.
She needs to fill her, so she needs to dump it and then make sure it all gets in the hole. Now, you've noticed something else that someone said. So she's dumped it, she fills it, but then what's she naturally going to do after she's filled the hole up?
Mix it a little bit so the extra food could go into the hole.
So Dibia can actually do 3 jobs well. Because it's really almost like the same job. She dumps it, she fills the hole to make sure it's all in there, and then she mixes it.
Ah.
She's the dumper filler mixer. Now,
It's like a combo.
it is like a combo. But then we have the problem of the bringers. As Dana pointed out, if we can't get it to the carpet, we can't do any of these jobs.
But I could bring it to the carpet.
How could you bring it to the
Me and Shiloh could do it.
Why do you think that?
Because we're the leaders. We bring the red bin, so why can't we bring that?
Okay. So, then
Me.
Shyla.
Then who's going to bring
And-
the red bin?
Well, if you look, because of what we're doing this morning, what do you notice on the carpet already?
Ricky. The red bin.
So I put it on anyways because I wanted to do something with it this morning.
You wanted
So
to
now-
do a bringer.
So now we're kind of all set. We problem solved together. Our responsibilities had to change.